HVAC 5-star elite comfort system for Jensen. They do have a flue pipe. This runs out the wall into the garage up. We'll need to configure this. This is 3-inch PVC, goes into a 2-inch. We do have our gas line that runs out. Here is our hookup. We will need to remove this old wood furnace. There is ductwork for it. Need to get this out. Cap that as well. That's going into the chimney. This is the room. Remember guys, I do not know on this video what I'm talking about too much, so there will be some help with Greg. This is our existing furnace that we have. We will be able to run the condensate line back there. Let me show you where for the drain side of things, which will be replumbed. If there's any questions, refer to Greg on anything or myself. Upstairs, downstairs as well. You can see the existing ductwork coming through this room down here. There is a second room over here. In basement. And this room is an open with bathroom. And this is for Jensen. As well, these stairs will go out to the garage and then out.